In this video, you'll find yourself in Section B, Business Activity of the Agricultural Employee Overtime Tax Credit application. Here, you'll learn how to use the NAICS code tool. To determine the size of your business and the activities of your business that will qualify for the Agricultural Employer Overtime Tax Credit, the percentage of employee hours attributable to each activity must be identified. To do this, the business code for each activity is entered in Section B of the application, as well as the percentage of employee hours for the activity. The business code is generally included on your Schedule F Farming Activity Income and Loss Schedule attached to your personal income tax or partnership return or your C Corporation or S Corporation return. However, not all returns include the business code or the correct code for the activity. This video will show you how to use the North American Industry Classification System lookup code tool to find the business codes that best represent your business activities. The same procedure is followed even if you know your business code. To begin, you'll need to select the Select Activity Codes button in blue. A window will open, allowing you to search for your business activity. There are two search functions. First is the keyword search, and the second is a level search. The keyword search allows you to enter a keyword, or if you know your business code, the code number. The level search can be used if you know the business sector that best represents your business activities and refines your business code by selecting options through 5 levels of detail. We will use the default keyword search. Type a keyword or your business code into the keyword field. We will type "Hey" in the keyword field and then select the search hyperlink in the upper right corner of the tool. You may also simply hit Enter on your keyboard. Do not select the OK button here. If you do, you'll be sent to the previous screen without any entry being made. You will need to select the Select Activity Codes button in blue to return to this window. The results are displayed for your keyword search. Click the appropriate NAICS code hyperlink. For this example, we'll select 111940 hay farming. To see the activity description, scroll down the page. Once you've selected the appropriate code for your business, click the OK button to add it to the NAICS code table. The NAICS code 111940 and business activity description for hay farming are displayed. Now you'll need to enter the appropriate percentage of the employee hours that correspond to the NAICS code. For this example, 75% of employee hours are in hay farming. Enter 75 on line 1F. The total percentage of all the records must equal 100. Add as many records as needed to represent all activities of your business. Employee hours from all business activities must total 100% to continue with the application. To add an additional record, select the Add a Record hyperlink. A second record has been added to the table. Click the Select Activity Code button. We know that our next business activity NAICS code is 112310 for chicken egg production. Type the NAICS code in the keyword field. Click the search hyperlink or hit Enter on the keyboard. Remember not to click OK, as it will take you back one screen and not enter your search results. Review the results and select the appropriate code hyperlink that matches the NAICS code. Again, scroll down the page to see the business activity description. Select code 112310 by clicking on the hyperlink, then click the OK. The NAICS code 112310 and the description for chicken egg production are added to the NAICS code table. Enter the appropriate percentage of employee hours that correspond to the NAICS code on line 1F. 25% of employee hours are in chicken egg production. Enter 25 on line 1F. As mentioned earlier, the total percentage of all the records must equal 100. You'll need to add as many records as necessary to total 100% of employee hours to continue with the application. Note that the error message percentage must equal 100 is removed when the percentages equal 100%. Now, I can review my NAICS codes by clicking the Section B NAICS Codes tab. As you can see, the percentage for hay farming and chicken egg production total 100. You can now continue with the rest of the application. If you need further assistance, please contact us. To view frequently asked questions, please visit our external webpage. If you have questions regarding wages, hours, or overtime rules and regulations, email boli at ag.overtime@boli.oregon.gov.